Next one is monohybrid cross. So earlier we have seen that he has done monohybrid and dihybrid cross. Listen, you take tall plant and cross with dwarf plant. What is the genotype of tall? Yeah, because these belong to pure breeding line. Otherwise you can say capital T, small t also. So I have taken pure breeding line. So capital T and dwarf is small t, small t. Then what is in F1 generation? What you will do to write the result in F1 generation is the question in context now. Segregation, yes or no? How do you segregate them into independent? TT. This is also TT. Capital letter and small letter here. How many outcomes? 4. All 4 are same. Isn't it? So 100% outcome is capital T, small t. How you are doing this? By matching here and here. This is 1. Matching this one and this one. 2. Matching this one and this one. 3. Matching this one and this one. 4. So this is one type. Or you can draw a Punnett square. A person known as Punnett has given these Punnett squares. So on one side one parent gametes capital T. On other side another parent. So one is male and the other one is female. So what is capital T? You cross this one, capital T, small t. This is capital T, small t. This is capital T, small t, and this is capital T, small t. Same result you will get. Whatever you feel comfortable. So 100% outcome is capital T, small t. So capital T, small t is what? Tall. So if you cross two F1 generation plants which are capital T, what you will get? This we have seen earlier. So what you are supposed to do? Segregation. What are the segregated gametes or factors here? So how many outcomes here? Again 4. Are the 4 same? How many of them are similar? 2 are similar. What are they? So either you can do like this, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, because you can't write a small t first, then small t, isn't it? You can do like this or you can do Punnett square. So 2 this side, what are the capital T, small t? 2 this side, capital T, small t. You cross these two, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. So what is the outcome? Capital T got 1, capital T, small t another genotype, small t, another genotype. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 1. This is known as genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross because we represent it in the form of genotype. Now how many tall plants you got? Please tell me. 3, no? What are they? Capital T and then all these are. So you got tall plants and you got dwarf plant. So in the ratio 3:1. So this is known as phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. Now answer this question if you understand. In this particular cross between two hybrid tall plants, what is the probability of getting a tall plant? 75%. What is the probability of getting a homozygous recessive? 25%. What is the probability of getting a heterozygous genotype? Yes or no? What is the probability of getting a homozygous dominant? 25%. So this is when we express in the ratio of genotype, it is genotypic ratio. When we express, you can ask me why did I not write here? Because all outcomes are same. Here outcomes are different. That is why I expressed in the ratio here. If outcomes would have been different, I would have also expressed in the same ratio there. So this is monohybrid cross. One more important thing, always your genotypic ratio should tally with phenotypic ratio. First you have to arrive at genotypic ratio and then phenotype. So 1 plus 2 is 3. It tallied here. It can't be 1:2, 1:2. If that is the case, then you have to write 1:3. Or you can't write in a different order. So first you have to identify how many different genotypes are there. Then you have to identify how many different phenotypes are there. Isn't it? Say for example here, how many different genotypes are there? How many different phenotypes are there? 2. Likewise, in F2 of dihybrid, you have to say how many different genotypes, how many different phenotypes, what is the genotypic ratio and what is the phenotypic ratio. It is important that you match your genotypic ratio with phenotypic ratio. Otherwise, it's wrong. And by common sense and logic, you have to arrange them in proper order. Then only you will get all the 4 things right. If you get all 4 things right, you will get 100%. Otherwise, no. So
selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.